The NSA's warrantless surveillance program received a highly charged constitutional challenge just recently. The first of its kind challenge comes via a motion filed by attorneys for Jamshid Mutorov, an Uzbek refugee, Colorado resident, and accused terrorist, whose email and possibly other communications were secretly gathered by the US government. Mutorov's motion not only sets up a likely court test of the constitutionality of government eavesdropping, but it could also be a signal of many more cases to come. American citizens and residents have a constitutionally protected privacy interest in the content of their telephone calls and emails, the motion reads. The Fourth Amendment's protection extends not just to domestic communications, but to international ones as well. Mutorov was arrested and charged in 2012 with providing material support to the Uzbek resistance group Islamic Jihad Union, a designated foreign terrorist organization. After his arrest, Mutorov became the first criminal defendant to be notified by the US Justice Department that he was spied on via the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, or FISA. The government told Mutorov that it planned to use this information in its case against him. Now, Mutorov's 55-page motion challenges the government's surveillance as evidence against him and asks the court to suppress this information on grounds that it was gathered illegally. The government has not disclosed exactly what or how much information was gathered, nor has it said if warrants were used. In this case, FISA is being brought directly into question. It was created in 1978 and amended in 2008 to give the US government authority to perform bulk surveillance on the international communications of US citizens. It was very controversial, and now it's definitely getting its first legal challenge, which is actually pretty long awaited. Now, the ACLU has joined Mutorov's lawyers in arguing that the FISA Amendments Act violates the Constitution and American citizens' rights because it allows the government to monitor communications of US residents in bulk without court review. Now, let me know the way you want this case to go. On one hand, I can see why it's very necessary that the NSA does need to tone down its spying on US citizens, but on the other hand, this is coming from a suspected terrorist, which is exactly the reason why these NSA measures were put in place in the first place. But let me know what you want in the comments below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!